Hello everyone! In this video, we will be bringing our audience to Sydney Royal Easter Show. This event was first held in 1823 by the Royal Agricultural Society of New South Wales. With an emphasis on promoting the development of rural industries, competitions and exhibitions of agricultural produce are held during the show. The scale of the Royal Easter Show has expanded throughout the years, and today, displays and competitions of other sectors, such as arts and crafts, photography and cookery, have also become parts of the show. Besides, there are nationally accredited dogs and cats shows, food and drinks, and much more entertainment, including rides and games. Each year, the Royal Easter Show is held in April around Easter at Sydney Olympic Park. It lasts for 12 days and every day it is concluded by the Grand Show. Last but not least, show bags containing discounted goodies such as snacks and cartoon merchandise are sold in the venue, which makes the event unique and interesting to both adults and children. Alright, enough talking. I'll let you guys enjoy the show.
I'm sick and tired, I should go alone. Ain't got the time to make it work alone. I was betting on you, yeah. You got the powers. You got the powers. You got
gotta understand that we get one chance, one chance. You will never regret the things that we'll do. 'Cause I wanna drive through the summer night. And when we are old and gray, we'll look back at this summer night. This summer night, this summer night. Sleeping in the back of a van, roaming in the wilderness. We never need a plan. We'll be alright, just you and I. Sitting on the top of a lungs, dancing by the lakeside. Gonna do it while we're young. In a moment it will all be gone.
Join us in singing John Williams'